If you inherited a house in Findlay, Ohio, or if you have a house in Findlay that's going through a probate type of situation, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses for cash in and around Findlay, Ohio, and we've worked with many sellers who inherited the property. So we know firsthand, this can be somewhat complicated for you. You might be a little overwhelmed. Sometimes there's attorneys involved. Sometimes the court is involved and a lot of paperwork and things like that. So our first commitment to you is we're gonna keep it very simple, and we're never gonna add stress to an already what could be stressful situation. So the way we keep it simple for you is we're gonna buy the property in its as-is condition. This is great because you don't need to fix anything, you never need to clean, you don't need to haul anything away. We can handle everything for you. Anything that you want from the property, by all means, you can take it. Any family belongings or collectibles or family heirlooms, you can take all that. But anything that you don't want or don't need, you can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy properties in their as-is condition is we're not relying on a lender. So sometimes when working with a more traditional type of buyer, well, you need their lenders to approve this, or they're going to send through a formal inspection that's going to nitpick your property, or they're going to send through a formal appraisal, and hopefully the appraisal goes through, and now you're hoping and you're wishing and you're praying and you're really giving all control over to this buyer's lender, because if they decide to cancel the deal at any time, you could be left right back to where you started. And that's not how it is with us. It's going to be easy, and the certainty and the ball is left in your court. You get to pick when you want to close. So if you need to move quickly, we can absolutely accommodate your needs. Or if you need flexibility and you want to set up a future date, or you need us to work with any family members, or whatever the case may be, we will accommodate your needs. So if you inherited a house in Findlay, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it fair and fast and keep it easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. That's because we were founded in Columbus, but we buy properties in Findlay, Ohio. We buy properties all over Toledo, and really, quite frankly, all over the state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're currently working with. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If the offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and make it happen. If the offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add pressure to the situation. We're never going to, have sales tactics or gimmicks or games. We're not going to waste your time. This isn't some call center that's located in some foreign distant land. We are here in Ohio. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what you are to us. And we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and positive references as well. So if you have inherited a house in Findlay, Ohio, and you at least want to see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.